Greetings, great people of God. My name is FEMI BABS, and I am wishing our father, Apostle Johnson Suleiman, a happy birthday. Papa, it is your birthday, and this same time, many years ago, heaven released a missile into the world. We are happy for you. We are happy it's your birthday. We celebrate the grace of God upon your life. And your birthday is another opportunity to say thank you for all that you are to us. Thank you for being such an amazing ministry gift. Thank you for all that you do for the body of Christ at large. Thank you for the heart of a father that you carry. And on this birthday, we are praying and wishing that you will receive grace to maximize grace. God will continually smile on you. His hand will continually be upon you, and God will release you into deeper dimensions with Him. Daddy, I love you so much, and I celebrate grace. I celebrate God for you. Happy birthday, my father, Apostle Johnson Suleiman. Many more years of bliss and manifesting the glory of God on this earth. We love you, sir. I love you. On behalf of myself and my family, we say happy birthday. Happy birthday, the Restoration Apostle, Apostle Johnson Suleiman. I love you, sir. Celebrate grace.